So what I'm going to do today is get it cleaned up. I thought I'd bring you guys along, kind of show you what I'm going to do to spruce this back up, give it some love that it needs. I'm going to care for the soil and really get this back in tip-top shape. So let's go. So here's a look at the wall before. Now I do have some plants on the other side as well. It's not full on that side, but you can just see so many of these are just past their prime. They've just been a little bit neglected and it's time to give them some love. So one of the first thing I'm going to do is actually just take everything down and put the greens or the plant matter in this bucket, and it goes into the compost or to the chickens. And then my soil, I have kind of just an ongoing soil bin. So all the soil will go in here and we'll mix it up, add some amendments, and then we'll be able to use that again. Got the wall completely emptied off. So over here is all my soil that I collected from it. So when I emptied out the bins, I put them there, and then I put the soil in this bin. And then this is all of the discarded plant matter. I am going to break up any of those root balls. Just break it down, the smaller the better. I'm gonna do a couple scoops of worm castings. You can order yours on the website. This is the Vermis Terra brand. Love them so much. So I'm gonna do a couple big scoops here. Let's see, that was about 5 big scoops. And then I am going to put in just a little bit of the fertilizer mix. This is the same fertilizer mix that, you know, comes with your Planted Places membership. So I am just going to do a scoop of that as well. And we're gonna mix, mix, mix. Okay, soil is done. Look how beautiful that is. So now I'm going to pot up my new seedlings now that we have some space for them and we have our pots available again. We've got our soil all mixed up. We're gonna go ahead and get these guys planted up. Next, I'm just going to go through with all of my plants I'm keeping. I'm going to give them the love that they need. So pruning up some of them, especially these herbs are looking a little sad and gangly. And also giving them some worm castings. I'm just going to take a little bit, about a teaspoon, and I mix it into the top of the soil. And then over time that will work its way into the soil as we water, and it's going to help feed the soil and the microorganisms in the soil. So time to give them all some love. Here we go. Next, I'm going to go ahead and get my tank cleaned out here. So after a while, we get buildup in it, so I'm going to go ahead and disconnect everything. We're gonna flush it. We're just gonna give it some maintenance. It's good to do this a couple times a year. I'm gonna take this outside, spray it down, and then we'll bring it back in and fill it up. Okay, it's finally time to put it all back together. Check it out, she's all done. So we topped off soil, we fed them with worm castings, we cleaned our tank, we planted our new seedlings, we took out any of our overgrown, just not doing so good anymore plants that had passed their prime, and now we have our wall looking gorgeous again.